5 years ago when I joined Oakwood, and I saw the patient's population, and I said, I need to make a difference. And I can safely say to you, 5 years later, I've made a difference, but that difference would not have happened if Oakwood did not value the diversity of their patients.
I think being in a non-clinical position has me in a unique position because I'm here to support all of our clinicians and our physicians and the executives at Oakwood. And by understanding what they do and understanding my role completely and the history of media relations, I can do a better job for them.
The master's degree will help deliver better patient care here at Oakwood by giving me the opportunity to learn about research and how to incorporate research into the practice, such as evidence-based practice, which a lot of our pathways are built on. We'll also be doing a research project, so we hope to better patient care here at Oakwood.
I started working at Oakwood in 2003. My history here is very light. I've been a nurse, though, for almost 18 years. My role is the clinical manager for the Clinical Ethics Center, and I'm also the manager for the Interpretive Services and Translation Department. And the Interpretive Services is the piece that comes in and try to be the link between the provider and the patient and help both understand and communicate effectively. You cannot survive these days as a manager without having a strong background in administration. Things are changing rapidly. The environment around you is changing. New laws, regulations. You have to keep up every day. And I think having an advanced degree would prepare you, or at least put you in a better seat to confront those challenges and try to be adaptable as possible, try to be accommodating as possible to the many changes around us. I value the contribution Oakwood has made to my development as a manager, as an employee. I see an institution that caters and likes to develop its leadership program, and I think I value that a lot. The other piece to it is financial. Every day most families struggle. Myself, we are a single income family, and I find that piece also extremely helpful, I could say.
I am pursuing a master's degree in public relations and organizational communication with an additional certificate in health communication at Wayne State University. I've been fortunate enough to receive the Oakwood Scholarship 3 years in a row. This will be my third year, and the scholarship support has been amazing. Thanks to Oakwood Scholarship and the tuition reimbursement program, I've been able to fund my way through graduate school without relying on student loans at all. The internship program has been a passion of mine for a long time. I've always wanted to give back to students, to give them the opportunity to learn in a professional environment at a level that was a little more engaged than what I experienced when I was an intern. So I've always had the desire to give back, and I think that with the Oakwood Scholarship Program and the tuition reimbursement program, those have compelled me to want to give back even more because I'm able to pursue a higher education, get more research-oriented tactics to help me in my job, and now I'm able to help them. As an Oakwood employee, receiving the scholarship support has been amazing. It allows me to expand my education and to bring it back to the organization, and I think it's a win-win situation. I'm benefiting by getting my education and being able to further my knowledge. Oakwood's benefiting from the knowledge that I'm getting from school, so I think it really is a great situation, and I'm so grateful to Oakwood for allowing me the opportunity to be able to do that.
I began at Oakwood in 1996 as a nursing assistant, worked my way through my associate's degree, and then I took advantage of the BSN completion program to complete that. And in the meantime, I had 4 children, and then I started pursuing my master's last year and got married and have 4 more children. So we're very excited to have the scholarship opportunity to help pay for the schooling. I'm pursuing my master's degree in nursing at Eastern Michigan University. My certificate will be in quality, so my focus is on quality to bring evidence-based practice here to Oakwood, as well as teaching because I like to mentor the new nurses that'll be coming out. And as you know, we have like a nursing shortage coming up, so the reason is we don't have enough faculty to teach, so I'd like to use those skills to help bring in some more nurses for the system. It's great to have support through the Oakwood Scholarship Program because it helps us take some burden off to finish our schooling. It also brings in best practices into the system. It helps advance our patient care by teaching us how to utilize the research that's out there and initiate new research as well. It also helps with family and stuff to take off some of that additional stress so that you can focus on your studies instead of trying to pick up overtime or maybe not pursuing your education as you should. So it helps us strive to be the best.
You always want to give the best to your patient, the best care possible. And best care these days is defined in a lot of things. One of it is advanced education. Having an advanced education would really broaden a person's horizon and scope, and prepare them for different challenges and prepare them for different settings, and try to provide a very excellent service, especially to the communities we serve.
I think people should support the Oakwood Scholarship Program because it's a really important program. It allows people like me and other people across the system to be able to pursue higher education and to pursue a degree, and sometimes a situation where you can't just do it on your own. You need that little extra help, you need that little extra push.
Oakwood's values, of course, are the credo: compassion, respect, excellence, diversity, and ownership. It offers a lot of diversity in taking care of the different patient populations with evidence-based practice. It improves our ownership in excelling ourselves. And of course, excellence is pursuing the best that you can be.
I'm learning and leading.
I am learning and leading.
I am learning and leading thanks to the Oakwood Foundation Scholarship Program.